is Tarayjah Upcycles. From trash to trendy. I found this old footrest at Goodwill, and I got some nails and a hammer from Walmart and an old dress, and I am going to take this to the next level. First things first, you're going to strip off the old material. I'm wearing gloves just in case there's any dust or any dirt on the item. There were like 100 nails, y'all. So then I reupholstered it, took another old dress, and lined the bottom. Instead of using a sewing machine, I tucked and folded and used upholstery nails to hold it down. You're going to replace the legs, but make sure the fabric has a little room to move so it can pull and stretch. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below.